Hello and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to top up your plan, your savings and investment plan. Now we're doing it by bank transfer. Now if you want to save or you want to top up the money for the saved or investment without the use of your debit card, this is how you do it. So the first thing you need to do is go to the home page of your Cowrywise app, and then you click on save or invest. If you want to top up the savings plan, you click on save. If you want to top up the investment plan, you click on invest. You can see it here at the top. After home, you have save and invest. So let's say I want to top up my savings plan. I click on save, and then the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna follow the steps to the destination. Now you can add cash here. Right now you can say I don't have any money there. Let's say I want to save 500. Then which of the plans you want to save it in? Is it your vacation plan, your general plan, emergency? Let's say it's emergency. And then you see bank transfer. You have a processing fee to be written here, and then you tap on pay, and you'll be given 60 minutes to transfer the money. You see the amount you transfer, you see the bank name and the bank account. So you copy the account number, you go to your bank, and then you do the transfer. And once you're done, tap on I have paid, and then it's done. As simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful.